distinguished guests. It's my greatest privilege to recite a poem about the Velar of Veeranari Chakali Ailamma, and the poem goes like this. In Telangana's soil, where freedom flames, burns bright with justice as its aim, a century's suffering, victims rose as one against the Nizam rules. Their voices had begun. Enough of slavery, peasants made their stand. Veeranari Chakali Ailamma, a rebel, led the land. Her red ribbons symbolized the fire in her soul, a combustion chamber fueling her heart's goal. With feet locked firm, she vowed to never yield, her fist a hammer, shaping a new field. She taught her people to defend their right, to confront the Nizam forces, shining with new light. For land, self-respect, for dignity and pride, Veeranari Chakali Ailamma rose to declare, I am not a slave inside. Her voice echoed through history's corridors, a brave warrior, Chakali Ailamma forever roars. In Telangana's verdant land of pride, where freedom flames radiant does reside, a century's shackles victims did unfold and rose as one, their voices to be told. With fervent cries, enough of slavery's might, peasants arose and Veeranari Chakali Ailamma led the fight. Her crimson ribbons, ambers of her soul, igniting hearts to make their spirits whole. Her feet locked firm, unyielding stood on ground, her fist a hammer, shaping freedom's mold. She taught her kin to defy the oppressor's hand and claim their rights on their ancestral land. I till the land, I sow the grain today. The yield is mine, which I will never betray. Not to you, O feudal landlord, never to you, the inhuman landlord. If Nizam comes down, I shall not back down. Nor to his forefathers, if they intend to come down. I own the land where I sow the grain, a depth of honor that I'll forever maintain. Veeranari Chakali Ailamma words broke the dawn, spilling radiant light of enlightenment. No pupil could hide the rage flaming inside. Breaking the cocoons of fear, where they have lived for years, people emerged, and their hunger for revolt was finally unleashed. Our women weighed no more than a household shame. Damned, nor could they endure, swiftly came outdoors. Ailamma, dynamite in spirit, immune to panic's flame, raised her right fist, declared civil war, and revolt's sacred name. Her vocal cords vibrate like a tigress's roar. Her heart chambers thummed like drumbeats evermore. Her spirit, like Sammaka Saraka deities incarnate, marched ahead, raging war, leaving none to hesitate. Ramchandra Reddy, the Visunuru Zamindar, a symbol of oppression, first on Ailamma's hit list mark, a symbol of oppression, about to face embark. The arsenal of Ailamma's proletariat, a humble sight, needed no bullets, skills, or martial might. With just bricks, sticks, mullets, and chili flakes in hand, a makeshift army, fierce with justice to withstand. The flames of revolt, now a wildfire's roar. Veeranari Chakali Ailamma spirit, a thunderbolt forever in store. Her legacy, etched like a Telangana star, guiding generations near and far. Ailama's flame ignited the armed struggle's might, freeing her 4 acres from Zamindar's endless night. Her revolutionary spirit, a wildfire's way, sparkling historic civil uprising of the Peasants' Day. Ailama's torch lit the armed struggle's blaze, liberating her land, igniting the peasants' gaze. A revolutionary icon, forever in our sight, guiding the civil uprising, shining with all her might. In the annals of history, her name etched in gold, Ailama's rebellion, a beacon forever to unfold. A testament to courage in the face of oppressor's might, a woman's unwavering spirit, shining brighter than the morning light. Like a phoenix from ashes, Ailama's spirit took flight, a fierce dance of defiance against the dark of night. Her heart, a battlefield where courage conquered fear, a woman's unwavering voice echoed through centuries loud and clear. Ailama's spirit rose like a flame that never tamer. Her heart beat strong with a courage that never stammer. Her voice echoed loud with a message that never falter. Her legacy lives on with a story that never